Hello guys, today we're going to be making a comparison between FL Studio and Bandlab. Stay tuned. FL Studio has kind of been a very good software for me. It's been like basically the software I've used in making all my beats until I discovered Bandlab on my phone. So these are the few things FL Studio and Bandlab do have and do not have in common. Okay, so first I have the playlist. FL Studio has a playlist which enables you to sequence your beats, and a playlist consists of like different tracks, like track 1, track 2, track 3, and it's like a working space for you. So do Bandlab. Bandlab has a playlist and it helps you to sequence your beats also, and you can actually still have the track on the left side. All you need to do is click this plus, add a track. Although FL Studio, the tracks are pre-added already, you just need to do something. You see, that's one track added to Bandlab, and we have a track. So the more tracks you add, the more tracks you're gonna have. When it comes to settings, FL Studio is kind of a computer software, so the screen is kind of convenient for all the settings to be displayed all at once. But Bandlab, you have to, maybe do some little clicks, like you see the setting menu here. So when you click on the settings, you can see stuff like BPM, which is the tempo, and here it is on FL Studio, 130, and Bandlab is already set to 120 as default. And you can see other stuffs like the time signature, project key, snap to grid, and these are the things that I just laid out here in FL Studio for free without you clicking anything. So the difference between Bandlab and FL Studio when it comes to settings is the screen size. Yeah, but actually FL Studio is more intense and more advanced when it comes to beat making, so there are going to be more settings. So computer softwares like FL Studio and other ones tend to have something called a mixer, where you can link your samples, your effects, and whatever it is you're working on, and you see everything and start working and work on them simultaneously. Bandlab, on the other hand, does not have a mixer. Or does it? Wait. So what if you turn this like this? Does it look familiar? Yeah, this is like tracks, and this is like, yeah, I think it's a mixer upside down if you see it this way. So I think Bandlab has its own small mixer. Yay! So for those of you who use Bandlab already, this is very familiar, right? This is called the sampler track. Here you load your samples and yeah, make your beat. And FL has it too. It's so fun. Although I've never really used the sampler, the FL sampler, but yeah, it's literally the same thing. And you have to use your mouse to get to this one. So last but not the least, the piano roll. Yay, every software or beat making application should have one of this, the piano roll. So you can, this is where you play your melodies. It's mouse friendly, but it's crazy to understand. And Bandlab has its own. You double click. Yep, this is my piano roll. Yeah, you can play samples on the instrument there too, but it's basically mostly for melodies. The piano roll helps you to, play with notes, drag them, delete them, and likewise FL. Let me do one of those so I can have a note. Yay, same thing. So basically that's it for Bandlab and FL Studio comparison. If you want to see how to make beats on FL Studio or Bandlab, subscribe to this channel and follow my videos.